What's up, guys? My name is Dakotah from twitch.tv/Dakotah. Link in the description if you guys want to check out my live streams. Come see what video games I'm playing. Hang out, chat, all that good stuff. But today's video is going to be talking about this Govee LED light strip that I got to go with my new setup that you see here behind me, which I'm really loving the new setup. I got a bigger desk and stuff, and it's been awesome. I bought this LED kit to go with the new setup. I wanted some lights. I've never really had lights on my desk or anything like that, so I bought this. For now, let's go ahead and talk about what came in this box and kind of how, I'll show you guys kind of how I have it set up on my desk and all that good stuff as well throughout the video. So to start off, this is non-waterproof. The model that I have is H6159. For those of you that are curious, I will put a link in the description to this exact product off of Amazon if you guys want to check it out. So one thing obviously that you get in the box is the LED strip. It also has 3M tape on the back of these LED strips, which for this product itself, I feel like the 3M tape is really strong compared to the strips themselves, but you know, at least they stick pretty well. We'll see how long they hold up for myself. They also have little cut points on the LED strips every so often, so you can customize the length if you need to. Also in the box, you guys, you do get a little like user manual. You also get a little card that talks about sharing your product, as well as if you have questions and things like that, ways to contact them. And there's also a little key point card talking about installing and stuff like that. You also get 5 clips to screw down the LED strips, basically. So if you're having problems with them staying in place, you can use these little clips to hold them down a lot better. I don't use mine. I didn't really need to. You also get an alcohol cleaning pad. You also get the standard power adapter. Obviously that changes depending on where you live. And then you also get a control box that also has 3M tape on the back of the control box. So let's go ahead and talk about the control box. You don't actually get a physical little like remote or anything like that. Basically, I stuck to the bottom of my desk, which I will show you guys. But it does have 3 buttons on it. There's one to turn them on and off. There's another one to basically just scroll through the colors and you just stop whatever color you want. And then there's also a music mode / brightness mode. And those 2 are in one button. If you do just a quick tap or a quick click, that's how you do the music mode. And if you hold down that same button, you'll see the brightness change on the lights themselves. Woohoo! Yeah! Those are all accessible on the control box, as well as on the phone app, which I will also get into in just a moment. I'm not really a fan of the control box. I really don't use it that much. Once I figured out how to set mine up, and I just use my phone. And that's mainly why I bought this product, is because I wanted something easy to use, but I can use my phone to control it. Now keep in mind though, guys, this is also the Alexa version. I don't have anything that's Alexa related or anything like that, so I cannot use the Alexa feature of this. Let's go ahead and talk about the app a little bit. All those features I just told you guys that are on the control box are also on the app. However, there's a few things on the app that are not, you can't access it just with the control box. You need the app. And I highly recommend using the app just because it's easier and quicker, and I don't know, it's more customizable, and obviously that's a good thing. That's what people want. You want to be able to customize your lights. One thing there is a timer, so you can change the time when the lights turn on and when the lights turn off. I do like that feature, so mine turn on around 11 o'clock in the morning, and they turn off around 9 p.m. at night. There's also a DIY mode. I love the DIY mode. Obviously, you set up your own colors, your own style, different options from fading to jumping to flickering, or you can do a combination of those. Mine is set to fading, but I have the colors of red, purple, and yellow that it rotates through, which you guys should be seeing those colors behind me as this video goes on. Also in the DIY, you can change the speed of the colors and how quickly they change from color to color. Right now, mine I think is set to about 80% or so. So it's not too quick, but it's a little quick enough to where you guys will actually notice it in the video. So that's kind of what I was hoping for, so that way you guys can actually see the colors in the background. Scenes that are included in the app, you guys, there are basically 7 like preset scenes. Two of them are called Sunrise and Sunset. There's also another one called Blinking, so it just blinks through all the colors. It's pretty quick. There's one called Candlelight, which I actually kind of like the candlelight when it looks nice. And then there's a couple others, but they're all somewhat really similar in colors. My final review for this LED strip, you guys, is I give it about an 8 out of 10. It's a very good strip. It does exactly what I wanted it to and all that good stuff. And it was easy to set up. And it was cheap. This one I paid about $23 and some change for it. And I'm very happy with it. So I cannot complain. The only reason I give it an 8 out of 10 is just because sometimes the colors are a little off, but for this price, I think that's a really good deal. It's really simple to set up as well. Basically, you download the app, you sign up for a Govee account, so just, put an email in, a password in, and you're good to go. It's really quick, really easy to set up. And then once you connect it to your phone, it will walk you through how to set it up with Alexa as well. Alright guys, so there's my final review of the Govee LED light strip. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you guys have any Govee products. I hope I'm saying the name of this right. I'm not really sure. Well guys, that about wraps it up for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Again, links are in the description if you want to check out my Twitch channel and or the product I mentioned in this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.